So this project that we're talking about here with the KeyDigital products within it, some of the displays around, we've got these great two kind of video walls with our 2x2 MLV processor showing video content. How has that helped with the overall experience here at Global?
Well, first of all, thank you, because this is going to be a game changer. This is going to be a game changer in the sense that we are going to be more out there for the customer, not just in terms of showing what is here, but also guiding them through the facility, where you can go, where you can find your favorite product, your favorite food, what you can do, what are the restrooms, what kind of a facility do we have. So this is going to be a game changer that we didn't have before in this kind of a format.
Excellent.
And so now having these big screens along with the individual the screens in each one of the entrances is going to give us a big boost to inform the visitor about Midtown Global Market.